Alright, so we want to look at solving questions involving angles. Alright, we have angles on the straight line, angles on the point, and so on and so forth. So we look at all these questions. With these questions, we'll be able to explain what we have learned or should have learned regarding all those things. The first question is talking about what? So we have this angle. What are we going to apply here? Is angle on a straight line or angle on a point?
Straight line.
Now, how do you identify angle on a straight line? Quickly, listen carefully. When I give you something like this is a line, this is a line. Now we have A, B, C, D, E, F. The question is, do we have a straight line here?
Yes.
Do you have a straight line here?
Yes.
Now let's try to analyze. Let's understand which one is the straight line here. Is this a straight line?
No.
Now when I say it's a straight line, the line will move. When it gets to the point, it continues straight like that. If it doesn't continue straight, then we don't regard it as a straight line. So do we call this one a straight line?
No.
What about this one?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. What about this one?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What about this?
No.
Do you understand now?
Yes.
So when we say angle on a straight line, what we mean is that for that straight line, for that particular line, all the angles on one side of that line is the one we refer to as angle on a straight
Line.
That is, which one do you call a straight line? Do you call this one a straight line?
Yes.
Now, if this one is a straight line, now let's assume that we are doing what? That we put a book or use something to what? To divide, to put on that line. Like this. What will happen? Let's say we divide like this. What happens? We have some angles here. We have some angles down. What are the angles that we have up? B, C, and D. So that means that B
remove your leg from that place,
B
Benita.
must give us 180 degree. That is what the angle on a straight line. Or the other one will be what?
Why you wish you remove that back?
A, F, and what?
Then I have to
C.
see inside.
180 degree. Some of angle on a straight line. Do you understand? Okay. What if I'm using the other straight line? Which one is the other straight line that we have there? We have this. Is this a straight line?
Yes.
So if this one is the straight line I want to use, what do we say?
C plus D plus C.
So we have what? C plus D plus E. Give us 180 degree. Or what?
B plus A plus F.
Are you getting that? So that is something that what? Angle on a straight line. But if you say angle on a point, this is a point. That one is very simple. What some of angle on a point is equal to what? So if it's your angle and this one is the point, then all the angle that surround that point gives us this. What are the angles we have? What? A. So what we are saying is that A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. Everything must give us what? What are we saying for this one? Sum of angles on the point. Is that clear?
Yes.
Then we should also remember that when two lines meet to give us an angle, we have a square angle like this. We say they are perpendicular, and the angle like this is called what? 90 degrees. So in a shape, when they give you something of a square angle like this, you know that they are talking about what? 90 degrees. Now let's look at this. Are we going to be using angle on a straight line or angle on a point? Where's our straight line? This one?
Yes.
No.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yes.
This one is a straight line. So if you like this straight line, there's nothing on the downside. You only need one what? Oh, but that's the one.
Praise, put your leg this way.
Let's do it now. So what do we say? F degree plus 2F degree
Plus 90 degree equals to 180 degree.
must be equal to 180
Degree.
Why?
Sum of angle on a straight line.
Why?
Sum of angle on a straight line.
Sum of angles on a
Straight line.
So what will I say? Put it in the bracket. If you don't put it in the bracket, you may lose your mark. You must write your reason. Sum of angles on what? A straight line. So what do we do now? We solve it. That also. Yes. S can add 2s, yes or no? Yes. What does that give us? 3x. 3x plus what?
90 degrees.
Plus what?
90 degrees.
What's the next thing?
Collect items.
So we have
3x
because what?
180 degrees.
3x degree. Nothing is alike with 3x degree, right?
Yes.
So we have what? Collect, like, test. What are we collecting? We look at what are like. 3x. Is that another one that has 3x here? No. I write my 3x. The one that like, what do I do next? What do I write next? What's already on the other side?
180 degrees.
So I write my 180 degree. And which one is that like the 180 degree? Plus 90 degree. Is 90 degree on the same side as 180 degree?
No.
No. So that means 90 degrees coming from the left, going to the right. So if it was plus before, what will it become now? Minus. It becomes minus 90 degrees. So that we have 3s equals what? 1 minus 90 is what? 90 degrees. But what are we looking for? We are looking for what? X. Only X. So what is it talking about X from coming alone here? 3. Now? 3. So we say divide both sides by that what? 3. So that only X will remain there. So that we say what? 3x over 3 because what? 90 over 3. Then what do I have? 3 times 0, 3. Therefore, X equals to what? 30 degrees. Simple. Is that correct? Yes. Alright, let's look at the second question. Talking about this, and here we have 3x. So x. Now what do we have here? You see, we have a point. What are we going to use here? We'll be using what? Sum of angles what? Sum of angles, which is also more like angle is so I'm going to add everything, all the angles together must give us 360 degrees. Shall we say what? X degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree plus 90 degree must give us what? 360 degrees. Why? Sum of angles on a point. So we are going to solve this. So how do we solve this? We look at the one that I like and they solve it so that we have x. How many x is this? 1. Then we have what? 2. We have what? 6. Look how many? 6. So we have 6x plus what? 90 equals what? 360 degrees. Now 6x cannot add 90 degrees. So what are we going to do? We say what? So what do I write? 6x. Which one that like 6x again? When we say collect items, what does that mean? We are writing the one that have the variable on one side, the one without the variable on the other side. So we have what? 6x. Which one that like with 6x? None. What is that right? Now on the other side, what is there? 360 degrees. I say 360 degrees. Minus 90 degrees. Because 90 degrees on the left hand side. Yes. Go to the other side, the plot becomes minus. So we have what? Minus 90 degrees. So that what? 6x equals to, this is minus 90 degrees, we get what? 270. Is that all?
Yes.
No. What are we looking for here? What are we looking for? X. So for x only to be here, we do what? We divide both sides by what? 6. So divide both sides by what? 6. So that we have 6x over 6 equals what? 270 over 6. 6 cancels 6. So our x now equals what? 6 into 27. 627. That equals what? 4, right? 6 times 4 is 24. So 627 is 4. 24, make how many? 25, 26, 27. Make how many? So that is to be 3. Alright, now let's look at this question. This is a triangle, right? Yes. Now, No, by the name triangle. What does the word tri mean? Three. That means there are three angles. Now, how do we find, if we are looking for the angle 1, how do we find it? Normally, because it's a triangle, we had all the angles. What is some of angle in a triangle? Huh? So, you guys think that you add all the angles together will be equal to 180 degrees. But because it's a triangle, how many angles was it supposed to have? 3. So, we have to have 1, 2, and 1. They did not give us the third one. Why did they give you? They actually gave you somehow. They expect you to understand something. You cannot solve this unless you know the third but they're giving us the third angle somehow by putting this word map. Now, what does that map mean? It brings us to quickly learning about the different types of triangles. We have different types of triangle. We have what we call scaling triangle. What do I call it?
Scaling triangle.
Isosceles triangle. What do I call it? Isosceles triangle. Then we have what? Right-angle triangle. But most importantly for this case now, we are talking about what? Equilateral triangle. Now, which one is a scaling triangle? A scaling triangle is a triangle in which has none of the sides or angles to be equal. I repeat, scaling triangle has none of the sides or angles to be what? Equal. That means this side is different from this side, is different from this side. And to represent that, we use different marks. 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, meaning that what? None of the sides are equal. Likewise, the angles, none of the angles are equal. So, you put 1, 2 here, 3 here. That means none of the angles are equal. Remember, in a scaling triangle, none of the sides are equal, none of the angles are equal. Then the second type of triangle is isosceles triangle. When we talk about isosceles triangle, what are we saying? We are talking about the triangle which has 2 of its sides to be equal. How many sides to be equal? 2 of its sides to be equal. And then what? 2 base angles to be equal. So the isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal and 2 base angles. So how do we represent that? We draw the diagram, we use the same mark for 2 sides. If I do like this, I do like this. What am I saying? I'm saying that what this side and this side are equal. So these are necessarily triangle. So if you have something like this, somebody writes this like this and gives you like this and gives you like this. What kind of triangle is this? It is still isosceles. Why? Because the same side that they wrote here is what they wrote here. Meaning that this one and this one are all equal. Is that clear? Now, the next thing is what? What about the angles? Which angles are equal? Let's say this angle is A, this one is B, this one is C. Which of the angles are equal? We said in isosceles triangle, it is the base angles that are equal. The base angles. How do you identify the base angles? Which one are the base angles? Very simple. You just look at the triangle. Which of them, which of the sides does not have mark? Which one? This one, there's mark here, there's mark here. Which one does not have the mark? The down one. So which 2 angles are on this down one that does not have the mark? B and what? C. That means B and C are the base angles. So whatever is written here is what to be written here. Is that clear? That one by base good. That means if I give something like this and I call this one as a I say, well, this is what? 36, this is y. Tell me, what will be in this place?
Y.
Because what? The one that does not have the mark is this one. Since y is in one of them, the second one will be what? Y. I give you another one. If I give you this and I say this one is 48, this is m. Tell me, what will be this place? 48 degrees. Do you understand that? That is how you know your base angle. So once they give you the triangle, you know where your base angle is and you know to find out. The third one is an equilateral triangle, which is also very, very simple. The equilateral triangle, that one is the triangle which one? All the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. All the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. That means for that one, what do? We use the same side all through. Look at it, I put 1 mark here, 1 mark here. If I put 1 mark here also, what does it mean? It means that all the sides are equal. So this becomes what? An equilateral triangle. Which means that what? A is also equals to B, is also equals to what? C. And usually it is a particular value that is always there, and that is what? 60 degrees. That means each of the angles and the equilateral triangle is what? 60 60 degrees. Let's see whether that is correct. 60 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 60 degrees. What will it give us? 180 degrees. Are you seeing it now? I know that the sum of angles in the triangle is what? 180 degrees. Do you understand?
Yes.
So now we move back to our question. Here, we know that we cannot solve this unless we know this place. Do we know what is going to be there? What will be here now? How do you know that? Because what kind of triangle is this? By giving us this mark and this mark here, this one is triangle. Meaning that what is an isosceles triangle. So and the base angle will be what? The angle on the base line. This one is not having the mark. This one. Which two angles are there? Here and here. So see this place is y, this is what to do what? So now you can solve it by saying that what? Y degree plus what?
Y degree
Plus 64 degree must be equal to what?
180 degrees.
180 degree. Why did you say 180 degree? What are we using? Sum of angles what? Sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle is usually equal to 180 degree. Is that clear? So that's exactly what you are now going to solve. So which one are lines that can be solved together? Y plus y, that is what? Plus what? 65 degrees equals to what? 180 degrees. What next thing we are going to do? So we have what? 2y equals to what?
180 degrees.
Minus 64 degrees. Right? 2y degree equals 180 degree minus 64 degree. That gives us what? 2y degree equals to 180 minus 64. What are we going to get? 116. Am I correct? Is that all? What do we do next? Divide both sides by what? 2. By 2. So that we say what? 2y over 2 equals to what? 116 over 2 cancel 2. Y is equals to 2 in what? 11. What does that give us? 5. Right, 5 remainder. What does it do? 1?
Add it to the next number.
Because 2 is 16. 8 degrees. So y equals to what? 58 degrees. Is that understood?
Yes.
Is that understood?
Yes.
Now let's quickly go to the next one. And this one, you look at it carefully, we also have the what? The angles. And what are those angles? 49, 138, X. But what is different in this diagram and this diagram? What is different between them? What do you see that is different between them? Outside. You see that there's a what? There's an angle outside of the triangle. That means this triangle has an exterior angle. Somebody say X. Alright, now, if you look at this question carefully, what do you see? You will notice that what? We have angle outside. And as far as triangle is concerned, there are also certain laws, or there's a law that talks about angles outside of the triangle. That's the exterior angle of a triangle. The angles outside, we call them exterior angles. Now, here we have 138 degrees at outside. How do we solve it? The law says that what? Exterior angle of a triangle equals to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. The law says that what? Exterior angle of a triangle equals to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Let's look at this. Let's look at this one. These are the triangle. In this triangle, which one are the interior angles there? Tell me, which are the two triangles? We have what? F, B, and what? D. Which one are the exterior angles here? A, C, and what? E. Very good. Now, the law says that the exterior angle of a triangle equals to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. What is the exterior angle here? Say what? A. So what the law says that what? A is equal to, you now come inside. What do you have inside here? Don't mention that F. The other two ones that are opposite here, what are they? B and what? You say what? B plus D. This is what the law is saying. that exterior angle equals to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Are you seeing it? Let's try that for C. What will C be now? C will be equals to what? C because you know we not mention the one beside it there. So it's what? F plus what? F plus. Okay, what about E? E will be equals to what? F plus. That's what the law is saying. Are you saying it? So when I say and I see down here also, I say okay. I will now say what? I find that law. What will I say? 138 degree. Equals to S degree plus 49 degree. Don't forget to write your reason. What's your reason? Exterior angles of a what? Triangle. Is that clear? Then you solve it. What will I do? Collect line M. I write my 138. Which one number is aligned with 138 degree? Is it on the same time with 138 degree? So come here, what will it become? Minus 49 degree. Anything again? Equals to what's the meaning there? Now 138 minus 149. I don't know. What do you do? Go and solve it. 138 minus 140 minus 49. 8 minus 9. Take 1 here, it becomes what? 2. So it becomes what? 18 minus 9. 2 minus 4. Come here, go and take 1. 1 12. 12 minus 4. 8. So we have what? 89. So 89 equals to what? X. That means that what? X degree equals to what? 89 degree. Very good. Is that difficult? No. Is it difficult? No. Okay, let's look at the next one. The next one is very simple, but you have to be smart. You must understand the concept of what? Angles. 43 degrees. What do I have there? 102. Now what are we going to do here? If you look at this, we have, what are we going to do to get our x? Anybody? I'm going to say x degree plus what? That's 1 x degree plus 102 degree. That's what equals to 180 degree. What's my reason? Sum of angles on a straight line. On the what? Now you want to ask me that if you are talking about the straight line, we have 43 on the line now. And we have 102, and we have F. Am I not supposed to write all of them? No. When we say angle on a straight line, those angles must come out from the same point. They must come out from where? The same point. The same point. Are you getting me? So this one, this angle, X and 102, they are not that came out from the same point, right? So they are not that we can add. You cannot add the one. Are you getting what I'm saying? So that's how it is like this. Please take notes. Some of them on the point, but they must be from the same place. You cannot add, like now, look at this one. This is a straight line. Is that not so? So, which two angles are coming out from here? On this straight line, we have this, but we still have this and this too, right? So, the only one that is straight line here is what? E and what? D. So, E and D can be said to become what? Choose this is the same. If I use it as my same line, what can I have?
Should I get to go under?
A plus N equals to Is that clear? Likewise, this one too, but this is the same time, what I have? B plus C. Is that clear? So what do we do now? We say what? There are some we say what? Collect, line, bend. We say what? Okay, so we do what? Collect, line, bend. So that we have what? F degree, nothing that like again, equals to what? 180 degree. The first problem comes up, minus 102 degree. So that X degree will be equals to what? 78 degree. Is that clear? Yes. Alright, so we have another one here. Okay. 125 degree, 106 degree, and what?
It's 5.
125, 106, and what? We are looking for what is happening. What are we looking for here? Yes. Now,
125.
can you see the exterior angles? All these are exterior angles, right? Can we apply the law that we used the other time for exterior angle? Remember that one involves what? Exterior angle and what? Interior angle. They give us any interior angle here. We have only angle, exterior angle. Another law that we should have learned before is also applicable here. And what does that law say? In any polygon, the sum of the exterior angles equals to 360 degrees. Any polygon at all, when you add all the exterior angles, you must get what? 360 degrees. That is the law. So the polygon might be a triangle. You remember your polygons, right? Triangle is a polygon. Those that have 3 sides, those that have 4 sides, quadrilaterals, your square, your rectangle, they are also what? Polygon. Those that have 5 sides, your pentagon, polygon. When you add all the exterior angles of the polygon, you must get 360 degrees. So what do I just say? I'll just say what? S degree plus 106 degree plus 125 degree must be equal to what? 360 degree. Why? Sum of exterior angles of a polygon. Are you seeing it? Then we solve this. What do I have? X. X cannot add anymore, but this one actually can add each other. You get what? 231 degree equals to 360 degree. Connect like what do I have? X degree equals to 360 degree minus 231 degree. So X degree equals to what? 10 minus 1, that is what? 9. 5 minus 3, 2. Minus 1, so we have 129 degrees. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Now, the next one is talking about this shape. Tell me, what is the name of this shape?
Pentagon.
Huh?
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Now, how do you say the pentagon? Because it has how many sides? 5 sides. Remember, when we say polygon, polygons are shapes that have 3 or more sides. The one that has 3 sides is called what? Triangle. 4 sides is what? Quadrilateral. 5 sides is what? Pentagon. 6 sides is what? Hexagon. 7 sides is what? Hexagon. 8 sides is what? Octagon. 9 sides is what? Octagon. And 10 sides is what? Decagon. Now we have this. What is the sum of the interior angles of any polygon? Interior angle of any polygon is equal to what? Sum of interior angles of any polygon equals to bracket n minus 2 bracket 180 no matter what the polygon is. You cannot remember the sum of those values, just remember this formula. In this case, what is our n? Our n is the number of sides. So we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 5. So our n is 5. So I'll say what? 5 minus what? 2 bracket 180 5 minus 2 is what? 3 times 180 degree. And now is what? 540 degree. So what does this mean? This means that what? I will add all the angles in this shape to give me what? 540 degree. And then so. Meaning I will say what? How many angles is it having? How many angles does it have? Because the pentagon must have 5 angles. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means I say what? Y degree plus 2y degree plus 2y degree plus what? What is this one? Remember, anytime you have a square angle is 90 degree. Plus 90 degree plus 90 degree must be equal to what? 540 degree. What's your reason? Sum of angles in a pentagon. Sum of angles in a pentagon. Sum of angles in a pentagon. And we solve it. Is that also? Yes. Do you understand that? So when we solve it, we get our y. Do we understand?